Ever noticed ChatGPT giving wrong or misleading answers? Yeah, it happens more often than you think, but there are ways to reduce errors. In this guide, I'll show you how to get more accurate and reliable responses from ChatGPT in 2026. The most common cause of errors is vague prompts. Instead of asking, "Tell me about history," say, "Give me a summary of World War II focusing on major battles and leaders." The more precise your question, the better the answer. ChatGPT works best when it understands your situation. Provide context like your audience, goal, or the type of answer you want. Even a little extra context reduces mistakes. When you request structured answers, ChatGPT is less likely to hallucinate facts. Ask for lists, numbered steps, or bullet points. This keeps the response organized and easier to verify. You can reduce mistakes by asking ChatGPT to reference sources or explain its reasoning. For example, say, "Explain why this is true and provide sources." Even if the sources aren't clickable, this forces the AI to be more careful. ChatGPT is smart but not infallible. Always double check important facts, statistics, or instructions with trusted sources. Think of it as a helper, not a final authority. If the first answer seems off, don't give up. Ask it to clarify, simplify, or expand on specific points. Guiding it step by step improves accuracy. Treat ChatGPT as an assistant, not a source of absolute truth. Ask, refine, and verify. The clearer you guide it, the fewer mistakes it makes. And that's it. Be specific, give context, request structured answers, and always verify important info. Following these steps reduces wrong answers and makes ChatGPT much more reliable.